school.
Good morning.
Mommy.
All right, so we are going to start off with our question of the day. So here it is. So let's pretend that we have a bunch of items that could be recycled. And I want to make a pattern with them. So I'm going to tell you what I would lay out, and you let me know if it's a pattern, okay? What if I did a cardboard box, a milk jug, a toilet paper roll, an empty grocery sack, a paper bag, and another box?
No.
Is that a pattern?
No.
Why isn't it a pattern?
Because you put stuff and stuff and stuff and stuff.
I just kept putting stuff down, right? It was not repeating, right? It wasn't going over and over and over. But what if I did a box, a milk jug? A box, a milk jug. A box, a milk jug. Would that be a pattern?
Yes.
Yes, that would be a pattern. Okay, so now we are going to do our song because that's what we do on Tuesdays. And does anybody remember our letter?
I.
It is letter I, and I is a vowel, so it likes to hang out in the middle of words sometimes, right? And what's its favorite sound? It, like inside. But
Igloo.
Or igloo, but it can also say I like ice cream. But favorite sound? It. So here is our letter I song.
Here comes the letter I. I is for ice cream.
Ice cream.
I is for island.
Island.
I is for iron.
Iron.
I is for idea.
Idea.
I is for imp.
Imp.
I is for inch.
Inch.
I is for insect.
Insect.
I is for ink.
Ink.
I is for igloo.
Igloo.
I is for inside.
Inside. Not right now.
I is for invite.
Invite.
I is for important.
Important. So really quick, I was noticing in the video that I right there, it is supposed to be a capital I, so they made it wrong. How do we make our capital I's? Do you know, Kinsley? So they have the door. What'd they forget?
The roof and
The roof and the floor, right? Sometimes people make their capital I's like that, but when we make it, we make the door and add a roof and a floor on. But that song had some great words that started with I, so that was cool. You guys have a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.